Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. We are unboxing a Crate Joy vintage accessory box. Okay, so if you watched my video from the Goodwill Blue Box unboxing, you know that I said, maybe I love grab bags. Love them. Love grab bags. And I said maybe I should put together a vintage grab bag. Well, and I started thinking, I wonder if there is one. Sure enough, there is. Crate Joy has a seller on there called CHC Vintage. This is not sponsored by them in any way. I actually paid for this box. I think it was $55. No idea what I just dropped on the ground. Came super fast, and it was just a little treat for me. I love vintage stuff. So, and being a vintage reseller, I'll probably be more open-minded about this box. So there were some comments about the Goodwill Blue Box. I didn't know you guys were going to take it like personally, that I didn't like some of the stuff. Wow. Who knew, out of all the stuff I've ever said on all the videos that I've done, over 100 videos, that Goodwill Blue Box elicited like all caps reactions. Really? Anyway, this one is I'm just buying it because I thought it would be fun. And being a vintage reseller, if there's something in here that's like, meh, I don't like that, I can resell it. Mark it up, move it on. So one of the comments was that the Goodwill Blue Boxes are for resellers. They're not. They're marketed towards people as, you know, for your own wardrobe. So yeah, they're not actually for resellers. This is not actually for resellers. I had to go online, and when I ordered the box, you had to tell them if you like stripes or solids, if you like prints, who is your celebrity, like vintage celebrity kind of thing. And I think I put Audrey Hepburn and Marilyn Monroe, just because that's like, they could come up with like some really fun stuff in there. And it said anything that you don't like, which I thought was really interesting, because that was a nice opportunity. Like, I don't particularly care for the 70s and 80s because lived it, been there, done that. I don't really care for that. I love the 40s and the 50s. I always make sure every winter I find a really great vintage pin that I put on my winter coat, and every year I do a different one because I love them. So maybe there'll be a vintage pin in here. If there's not, that's okay too. I can't wait to see what it is, but it's not open yet. It came from CHC Vintage. And if there are any links below, I think I am a Crate Joy affiliate. I can't remember. I'm an affiliate on so many different things on my blog that I can't remember. If I am an affiliate, the link below will be labeled as affiliate link. But this is, I will put a link to where you order the CHC Vintage box. And as I said, not sponsored. They did not sponsor this video. I paid for this. So I haven't opened it. Came in priority mail, came really fast. So that was great, because I had previously ordered beauty boxes and I got them every month. And it just seemed like they didn't show up when everybody else was getting theirs. And I'm like, where'd my box go? So that was really great that these came so quickly. Ooh. I'm excited. I love. Oh, look how pretty they packaged everything. Cool. And it came with a great little card. Take a pic and share. Hashtag CHC Vintage for you. Isn't that cute? What? Oh, I might have to blur my address. I didn't realize they put my address on the back of the card. Cute little donut card. Oh, and it's got their picture in there. Look how adorable you guys are. CHC Vintage Referral Program. Mention any current CHC subscriber in your survey, and you both get a free month. You guys, if you mention me, apparently you get a free month. didn't even realize that, but look how adorable they are. New subscriber must purchase through the chcvintage.com. CHC or the current subscriber can be through CHC or Cratejoy. Okay, so there you go. I'll put a link to them down below. Welcome to CHC Vintage. We're so glad that you are here. Your pieces are from the 40s through the 60s, which is what I asked for in my survey. So this tells me they're actually reading the survey. You're also receiving 2 rare signed pieces. The earrings are signed Trifari, and the leaf necklace is a signed Napier with patent number. They're super special, spanning 1910 to 1994, the Trifari pieces. These statement pieces feature black and gold with pops of color, specifically pink and turquoise, which is what I said I wanted as my colors. I love pink and turquoise. So they're actually reading your survey. I love this. Wear these together, but still get a pop of fashion when they are worn one at a time. Wear this early 60s beaded piece as a necklace or a wrap around your arm or as a bracelet. Wear this flag. What does that say? Wear this bag. Might be a bag. It's handwritten. I'm sorry. It's that loopy writing I struggle with. With even the simplest t-shirt or jeans. Love, Nicole and the CHC team. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. 2 rare signed pieces. They had no idea who I was, by the way. I didn't sign up through my business email address. I signed up through my personal email address just so they wouldn't like make my box extra special. And, I didn't, so that you could see what you'd be getting if you open this. So I see they've packaged it. Isn't this cute? They've done it all in tissue paper with their logo on it, which is very cute. Very expensive, guys. You guys are knocking it out of the park. But black and gold bag, vintage bag, satin. Isn't that beautiful? I love these. I've had these in my own shop. I do carry these when I go out, when I get dressed up. Very clean. Smells nice. Doesn't have a stink to it. Atta girl. I always check my pieces too. And the whole thing is I don't need to go to a box subscription service to get wonderful vintage pieces. This is what I do. I do find these items. However, it's fun. It's a nice little treat for myself. It's a treat for yourself. And look, it's a grab bag. It's fulfilling my addiction to grab bag. And I got 2 signed pieces. So the jewelry appears to be in this box. CHC Vintage on it with their logo. Very cute. Very cute, guys. Oh, look how well they did this. So these are pierced. Pink and gold. Very, very cute. Very upscale. This is nice. Look at that. Well, so far I'm keeping everything. At least till the essence of ownership has passed, as my friend Karen says. That's gorgeous. Love that. This is super sweet. I love these. I love these. So I have a pin that's these roses right now that I have in my jewelry box because I absolutely adore them. They're those porcelain roses that are on it. Very nice. And look how pretty this is with the leaves, like the laurel leaf kind of look. That is super, super pretty. Thank you, CHC Vintage. Really good condition on these pieces as well. Let's take a look at these. Very nice. The quality of the piece is very good. They're not, like, all the color hasn't rubbed off of them. Like, you'll find some vintage pieces that people haven't taken very good care of it. You can tell that they've sourced their pieces very well. And all of the stones and all of the pearls on here are still intact. Beautiful quality, beautiful color. Not rubbed off in any way. These are well maintained. And even this one. And this is, what are these? Beads? Paper beads? They're not damaged in any way either. And being a vintage reseller, I can tell you how hard it is to find gorgeous vintage pieces. I love these. Let's just pop these on right now. Just because I don't wear a ton of earrings unless I'm going out. So these will probably be, I have a wedding to go to this fall. Oh, next fall. You know, y'all schedule your don't judge the earrings by the fact that I can't find my earring hole. That's how often I wear earrings. Oh, pretty. I have a wedding to go to. Oh, look how pretty that is. Super pretty. And this bag is outstanding. I mean, as a vintage reseller, I can tell you that you find a lot of the satin bags and they'll have either water damage on them or they'll have a funky smell. The chain is slightly off color, but that's okay because if you have a bag that has a chain on it, it's been carried in people's hands, and the oils and the acids on your hand are what affect that. The clasp also has some wear on it, but that's to be expected on a piece like this. The inside is stunning. I mean, it's like clean as clean can be. These usually came with a mirror set, and you can tell it's got the pocket for it. You know what I like is this is actually big enough for my cell phone, and I have a 6 Plus. That's what I'm filming on right now is my 6 Plus. This will fit my 6 Plus, and it can be a clutch, which I love that. I like a clutch when I go out. I'm a clutch girl. So, you know, got my pretty bag, and I'm all set to go. I would recommend this. I would recommend CHC Vintage just because I know how difficult it is to source these pieces. And yeah, they are signed. I got some nice pieces. It does look like on this earring, can you see right there? It looks like it's been repaired. They did a nice job on the repair. The color matches pretty well, but it does look like you can see the paint go around the edge of the gold. Let's see the other one. Yeah, the other one's in perfect condition, but this one does look like the enamel was damaged. Going to be damaged again. I'll take a picture of everything and show you what I've got so you can see the close-ups. Yeah, so those, as you can tell, they're beautiful. I'm kind of in love with this piece. I would wear this for sure. They did actually read your profile. I love that because I had the beauty box, like I said, and you'd get it every month, and you have to tell them if your skin is fair or if you're, you know, what color your eyes are, what color your hair is, what color you like, what don't you like. And I am fair. I mean, almost white as you can get, y'all. I can't go out in the sun. And so I said I'm light to fair. And I got a foundation in my beauty box that was so dark, my girlfriend, who's Syrian, could wear it. I actually gave it to her because I'm like, this does me no good. It's so dark. And she goes, why would they send you something that dark? And I said, I don't know. I'm light to fair. And it continued to happen. So I knew that that was such a large company, and I won't name names here, but it was such a large company, you could tell they weren't really paying much attention. Everybody was just getting the same stuff in every box. This CHC Vintage on this piece and their boxes, I mean, you can tell from the letter, they read my profile. They read what I said I liked, and I said I like the 40s through the 60s. I like the 60s, but not the 70s. I don't like the 70s and 80s. Please don't send me the 70s. I, have fond memories of bell bottoms and yeah. But anywho, yeah, the stuff in here is gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. Well done, CHC Vintage. So I will put a link to their website, and apparently if you mention me, you and I both get a free box. So rockin' cool. Mention that you got it from Stacy Verdict Case. I'll put my name down below, and I think they have me as Stacy Case. So Stacy Case, C-A-S-E. And you get a free box, and I get a free box. So yeah, I will definitely take a picture and share CHC Vintage. I will put it on my Instagram account as well. Very cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Always, I love to hear your comments and feedback. If you like vintage items and you're planning on getting one of these boxes, so cool. It's so cool. And I love the fact that they put in the colors that I like. The pink and the turquoise, which is what I wanted. I wanted pink and turquoise, and black and gold. I like black and gold together. I like pink and turquoise. So I thought it was really cool that they paid attention to all that. But comment down below if you think you might be interested in getting CHC Vintage box from Crate Joy. Happy junkin', everyone. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.